Hey guys, it's Gabe again. So here's part 2 to that palm sander video we were talking about. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. This is a canoe that I'm working on that I recently bought for cheap. Just trying to make a quick fishing vessel out of it. But anyways, got my air mask on just in case, keep my lungs protected. Safety glasses, which are my glasses, but here's a quick demonstration. Take that one off. Forgot to mention, by the way, they do sell these at Harbor Freight near the palm sander area. I'm going with 150 grit here, just to kind of lightly scratch the surface off, because I am going to clean it again, prep it, and paint it, or patch up the holes, clean it, and then paint it. But it actually comes at 80 grit, but I recommend you buy some of these all at the same time. You don't have to worry about them. So here we go. All right. Yeah. So let's go. I'm gonna start with 3. Let's see. Let's go hard, let's go hard. Let's switch it up. I'm gonna go with the 80 grit because this is kind of thick paint. All right, let's try it again. Let's do a quick spot here, actually. Just realized this. Let's do this fiberglass blob that somebody left here before. So, there you go. Sorry about that. There you go. You guys have... We're still on? Yeah, I'm still on. There you go. You guys have it. Just a quick demonstration on a palm sander. Just feel free to subscribe, leave a comment. I'm gonna try to put things weekly on there. So, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you.